Welcome to the HTML course. Greetings to you all. I'm Jyoti Mandala, your guide, helping you in understanding the essential elements that define the backbone of every web page. In this video, you will be understanding various HTML tags that allow you to enhance the appearance of text on your web pages. You will be understanding these text formatting tags in this lecture. Bold, italic, emphasize, strong tags, underline, strike, subscript, superscript, and mark tags. Let's start with the basics. In HTML, text formatting tags are used to modify the appearance of a text within a web page. These tags come in pairs consisting of opening tag and a closing tag. First up, we have the bold tag, which is represented by B and /B. The B tag defines bold text without any extra importance. Let's see in action. Open the text editor and have the basic structure, which is doc type, HTML opening and closing tags, head tag, and the body tag. In the head tag, I will have a title tag with text, HTML text formatting tags. Now in the body tag, let us write some text without text formatting tags. Save this file and open this file in any browser. You can see the text written in the body tag has been displayed as it is. Now let's apply the bold tag and see the difference. I'm using the same text on which I'm applying the B tag. Save your file, refresh your page, and you can see the text embedded in between B tag is displayed in bold. Now it is the italic tag, which is represented as I and /I. This tag is used to instantly change the style of your text into italic. Here is the example. I will be copying the same text and enclosing I tag. Save your file and refresh your page. You can see the text has been displayed in the italic form. I have added the BR tags just to have different lines of output for different text formatting tags. Remember one point here. If you want the text to have both the options of bold and italic, it is possible. Nesting of tags is possible. Now, if you want the same text to have both italic and bold, then embed both the tags to the text. Make sure you're following the proper nesting. Save the file and refresh your page. You can see the text has been applied with both bold and italic tags. Next, let's move on to a emphasize tag, which is represented as EM and /EM tags. The content inside EM tag is typically displayed in italic. Let's see the example. I took the same text and I want to include in EM tag. Save the file, refresh your web page. You can see the text in italic. You may not observe the difference between the italic tag and the EM tag on the web page. The use of EM tag is to indicate the screen reader to pronounce the words which are embedded in EM tag with an emphasis using verbal stress, whereas I tag is used to just display the text in italic. Hope you have understood the difference. Next is the strong tag, which is represented as strong opening and closing tag. While EM tag emphasizes text by default, strong tag signifies stronger importance and is typically displayed as bold. Let's see the example. I'm taking the same text. I'm embedding in strong tag the same text. Save your file, refresh your browser. You can see on the browser the text has been displayed in bold. You may not see the difference between the bold tag and the strong tag. Remember, B tag is used only for the styling purpose, but semantically in a paragraph, if you want a highlighting of a word, then use the strong tag. Okay, now let us see the underline tag, which is represented as U and /U. This tag underlines the enclosed text, providing a visual attention that its importance or significance. Let's see how it works. In the same file, for the same text, I'm using U tag. Save the file, refresh your browser. You can see on the browser the text has been underlined, drawing your attention towards the text. Sometimes you need to strike through some text. For that, you can use strike, opening or closing tag, or simply yes opening and closing tag to create strike through effect. Applying the same effect, applying the effect on the same text. Save your file, refresh your web page. You can see the text has given an effect of strike through. Hope you all are understanding. Moving on to subscript and superscript tags. These tags are commonly used for mathematical equations or chemical formulas or sometimes like footnote. Subscript is represented as SUB opening and closing tag. Subscript text appears half of a character below the normal line and is sometimes displayed in smaller font. For example, if you want to display x to the base 2, let's see how to achieve that. So you need to type x and you need to add embed this 2 in subscript tag, sub tag. Save your file, refresh your page. You can see x to the base 2 has been added to your web page. Next is the superscript. Superscript is represented with SUP opening and closing tag. Superscript text appears half of the character above the normal line. Example, if you want to display a to the power of 2, we need to use SUP tag. Let's see how it will work. A, if you want to the power of 2, you need to put it the 2 in the SUP tag. Save the file. And refresh your page. You can see a square displayed on your page. Lastly, we have a mark tag. Mark tag is used to highlight the text with a yellow background, making it stand out from the rest. Let's see how it will work. I'm using the same text, my name. Imbibe the text within the opening and closing tags of mark tag. Save your file. Refresh your browser. You can see the text has been highlighted with yellow background. Remember, while using these tags, you can enhance the appearance of a text. It is essential to use them appropriately and to maintain readability and accessibility on your website. And we have come to an end of learning the HTML text formatting tags. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more HTML tutorials. Until then, happy coding and remember the web is your canvas. Thank you.